kat barang jan kisngi banjit ya kinong mikmat pajba siyang dorbar thawan jong kejela kaseng National People's Party hapok kejenglam jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum National President kalanang kiu state bha bat kum juru kejingwan Pyniasoh jong kinong ilam jong kiwegi party hapok kejela kalanang kiu state bha na kapor sya kapor. Henin kesengi kata ka RPR tarik benai rempang arajar RPR kene keseng kala Pdiang Sngewbha ya ki laingut ki he nong ilam jong ki weki party banwan Pyniasoh lang bat keseng NPP. Kinong ilam bah khamat jong keseng NPP kila Pdiang Sngewbha ya ki arngut kinong ilam bapau ke jela ki ba kentup ya uba Martin M Danggo bat uba Manstar di Nongrem kumju uru keseng kala Pdiang Sngewbha ru sayai kong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong ibidai MDC Bamenta jong ko Omsning constituency. La pentiknaru by kong Magdalene Saukmi Maulong inde kandidat jong keseng NPP na kanong po constituency bat banikun persya aru yau ba Emerald Bonds im uberiu MLA jong kanong po constituency Bamenta.
Whenever we work in politics, we must join a cause. There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is a teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside and continue to serve the people of our state. And when the tough situations came, we got tougher.